Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set mobile data limit on OPPO Reno 12 FS. To set mobile data limit, go to Settings, then Mobile Network, and now go to Data Usage limit, and here you can set daily or monthly data usage limit. I'm gonna choose a monthly, enable it. Now you can select a unit, let's enable and select a unit, megabytes or gigabytes. I'm choosing megabytes and entering 400. You can adjust other settings, then press on done, and you can also choose on which day of the month you want to start new data cycle. I'm gonna choose the 5th and go to OK, and my data limit is enabled. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.